Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a backtesting strategy using a TimeOrder multi-condition technical indicator to evaluate the performance of S&P 500 ETF over the last 20 years. Our strategy will test the validity of historical patterns based on specific criteria. We'll enter positions when the relative strength index indicator crosses below 35 within 10 periods and later crosses above 40. We'll exit trades once the time in market hits 5 days. For better clarity, we'll set the chart theme to dark and opt for a candle display style to enhance result visualization. Now, let's move on to the form section. Begin by selecting SPY as the symbol. Then set the backtesting time range at 20 years. You can either customize the name of your backtest or go with the default one. Next, adjust the time in market to 5 days. In the Entry Criteria section, select TimeOrder Multi-Condition in the upper right corner to create a backtest with multiple signals. Click on Condition 1 to input the first entry condition. Choose Relative Strength Index from the drop-down menu of Technical Indicators and set the condition to be cross below 35. Next, click on Condition 2 to input the second entry condition. Choose Commodity Channel Index from the drop-down menu of Technical Indicators and set the condition to be cross above 40. Then, select Use Time Period Limit and enter 10 for the period. TimeOrder doesn't limit time by default. When set to period 10, it's necessary to sequentially satisfy both entry conditions within 10 bars to meet the backtest criteria. For those seeking further insight into the period parameter, hover your mouse pointer over the question mark position beside the parameter. Now, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Result tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. The Summary tab provides an overview of the overall data from the backtest results, while the Trades tab offers details on each trade. Even though the default exit condition is time in market 5 days, the Exit with Default Time in Market tab reveals trade outcomes with different exit times such as 1 week, 2 weeks, and more. The chart also displays specific buying and selling information. Green triangles indicate entry points, while red triangles signify exit points. As we set the entry conditions for the Relative Strength Index indicator to cross below 35 within 10 periods and later cross above 40, bearing in mind the default trade price is the current close, we'll initiate a purchase at the closing price of the day when these conditions are met. Exit points coincide with our time in market 5-day setting, signifying we'll sell after 5 days once the condition is met. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on creating a TimeOrder multi-condition backtest using technical indicators. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.